It's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note by note. Don't worry. Be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry to make it down, so don't worry. Be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed, so don't worry. Be happy. The landlord laid your rent is late. He may have to litigate, don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. I'm tired and upset, and I'm trying to get a little less. When I Google, I only get depressed. Was taught to those issues. I was told, don't worry, there's no doubt. There's always something to cry about. When you're stuck in an angry crowd, they don't think what they say before they open their mouths. Just back at your troubles, get your ugly back. I'm buried and beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Back at your troubles, get your ugly back. Don't worry about the gallery. I don't care what the whisperer says, or the whisperer too loud for me. Hot topic, maybe I should drop it. It's a touchy subject, and I like to tiptoe around the shit going down. Don't penny, but no pound. So if my business is running out, it's not my business to talk about. They don't think what they say before they go with your mouth. Just back out your troubles in your walking back. Just bury them beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Back out your troubles, get your walking back now. Worry about the cavalry. I don't care what the whisperers say, cause the whisper too loud for me. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.